Hello YouTubers, DDC channel is in the garage. In this video, I will talking about Ford Mustang 5 generation. Today, I got a problem with low fuel light control and I will try to find the solution. I divide this video into parts. First part is a basic part, but second part is just a little bit advanced part and I use quick tips in my work. And I'm going to show you if I receive 101 subscribes in DDC channel. Guys, all in your hands. What we will do? Check car computer by OBD II diagnostic interface. If you don't have a diagnostic interface, don't worry, it's not a problem. It's really helpful, but it's not necessary. You should know that 80% problems with low fuel light control is P0460 code. It means incorrect fuel level on gauge in instrument cluster always reads wrong. Its definition: P0460 code. So let's check the voltage, find the fuel pump and remove, find and check fuel gauge and fix this problem. So let's get working.
What do we need? Rubber gloves, 8mm socket wrench, screwdriver, hammer, clamp, diagnostic interface OBD II, and multimeter. Now I'm sitting in the Mustang and I'm around the 4scan and I have to check the DDC code. Okay, connect to vehicle. We found the car. And next I go to DDC, read the DDC code, and so what do we got? No. We got code B1A75, fuel sender number 1. What we got here? Additional fault symptom: circuit short to battery or open. Status: DTC present at the time of request. Malfunction indicator lamp is on for this DTC. Model: instrument panel control model. We know what happened.
You should know high-level things. Before you start with fuel tank, with gasoline, you have to switch off your battery. Safety is most important. You should do this. Now we are safe.
If you want to take off your rear seat, you have to push the plastic clips located over here. When we take off our seats, we can see two covers. On the left side, under the cover, we got fuel gauge. Right side, under the cover, we got fuel pump and fuel gauge. we are on the right side. We take off the cover and we got fuel pump and fuel gauge. If you want to take off the electric cube, you have to push the red plastic. Now let's check the electrical connection. When you do this, your ignition should be on. Okay, we got connection, so now we can ignition off. At this moment, I check fuel pump. You can do this when your ignition is on. You will hear specific sound, and I heard that sound, that's why I'm sure. We checked electric cable connection, is okay, but I got a problem with fuel gauge and I had to buy a new one. But if you want to know which one you should fix, how you can do this, because you don't have to buy a bolt, please subscribe my channel, and when I will get 101 subs, I will show you how you can do this step by step.
before we scan by force scan our car, we have to connect our battery. Positive first. Okay, we got it, and negative. Okay.
Okay guys, welcome back. We are in Mustang 5 generation. We are after work. We did what we did. We checked the voltage, we checked the fuel pump, we checked the fuel gauge. Now we have to check our car by force scan. So let's go. Injection off, force scan. Connect. Yes. Okay. We found the car. And we go to DTC read codes. We get the same code, but it's not a problem. You have to remember that after work you have to reset this code and check once again. So now we're going to reset DTC. Yeah. Okay, ignition off. And back on. Yes. All right, we got nothing. We did it. Disconnect vehicle.
Welcome back, guys. The problem is fixed. Good job. And don't forget about OK button to subscribe this channel, DDC channel, and don't forget about DDC channel challenge. I mean 101 subscribe this channel. And I really hope that we will see the second part of this movie, advanced part, and everything, like I said, all is in your hands.
Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.